Amazing, amazing. Another day, another release, another car naman, kakotse. So ngayon, ang i-release natin, Boss Alfie, ang i-release natin ay Veloz G Variant, purplish silver mga kakotse. Ayan, no? Napakaganda ng kulay. Very unique. Oh, di ba? Ayan mga kakotse. Wow! Amazing! Amazing! Amazing. O yan, pupunta na tayo sa client mga kakotse. Actually, irate na yung customer natin, pero sana maiba yung mood niya. O yan, dito na tayo kakotse. Eto po. Ayan na mga kakotse. Medyo kasi kanina pa sila nag-iintay dito, pero sana mapabago natin yung mood niya or yung tension niya. So, eto na ang kliyente ko. Ayun si Ma'am. Ay, Ma'am, amazing. Ma'am, good to go na po tayo. Congratulations, Ma'am. Congratulations, sir.
Hi.
We'll go to releasing na po for the release of the unit.
Let's go.
Dani ko na itong gamit niya.
Okay.
Sige po. Asan pa, Ma'am?
Okay na,
Okay na. Ako na, sir. Yan, Ma'am. Yan. Yan. Here, sir. Yes po. Sir, pardon for the delay, sir.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Here's our office, sir. We're just renovating our office.
It's all good.
Yan. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Medyo madami lang yung previous ng client. Yan. Ayan. Kliyente natin.
Hi, I'm Virgil, and this is my first car buying experience here in the Philippines. I just got here 6 days ago.
Congratulations, sir. This is your new car.
Thank you.
Ayan, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Open lang natin. Andun nata kay sir. Sir, may I borrow the key, sir?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
sir. So how's your new car, sir?
I like it. I love it. Thank you.
You like the color?
I like everything.
Very beautiful.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice. Sir, may additional previous to you
Yes.
is Toyota Genuine Rain Visor. It's fit for the Veloz.
Thank you. Thank you.
Very aerodynamics, and the color will not fade in years to come.
Excellent. Excellent.
Yan. Ay, mama, nakita mo, bigay kong free sa inyo. Yan, di ba? Oh, hindi mo inakala yan, di ba? Yan, kumusta naman, ma'am, ang sasakyan mo? Maganda, maganda. Very unique, di ba? Then, sir, ma'am, ito pa, ang additional na free ko sa inyo. Mama, di ba? The luggage tray. There. Oh, pag nag-grocery kayo, sir, pag wet market, para hindi tatapon sa mating natin. Yan. Then, here, the spare tire.
Yes, I saw
Complete.
that.
Yeah.
Very nice. Everything good? And I can buy a roof rack.
Yeah. Here. It's here.
Right here.
Ay. Ayaw na ni sir ng mga plastic. Ayaw na dito. Yeah. Very nice.
Let's get it started.
Let's start. Opo, demo na tayo, ma'am. Sir, dito po muna kayo. Magulat sila, nagtatagalog pala yung foreigner ko. Dito, sir. Dito na lang si sir. Sir, sige po.
No, have a seat.
Opo.
Go ahead, Steve.
I will be on the other side.
Ay, ako dun sa driver side.
Oh, you'll be on the driver side.
Demo. Yan. Tara, ma'am. Yan. Okay?
Yeah.
So, ay, sila, papatuloy na. Umiiyak ako. Sir, from the start, it's smart entry, push start.
Yeah.
So, apakan mo lang yung brake, tapos one push.
Safety.
Yes.
AC.
Yeah.
First.
And then for the aircon, on nyo lang po yung fan.
Excellent.
And then, here, ito po yung thermostat, yung lamig, ma'am. Tapos, rear defogger, pag nagmumoist yung likod, ma'am. Yan.
Rear defrost.
Yeah. Hello, baby! Umiiyak na si baby.
It's okay.
Yan.
It's okay. We're gonna get down again. Let's get down again. Alright, baby. Here's your call.
Ayan.
Excellent. Says the door is open.
Yes. It is seatbelt indicator. Malalaman mo kung sino yung hindi naka-seatbelt, sir. Yan.
Yeah.
Okay? Tapos the off. And then, is the auto. Yan. Set mo lang yung temperature. Automatic, mag-a-adjust na yung fan natin tsaka yung lamig niya. Whatever the temperature outside, pag sinet mo yung temperature dito, mamimaintain yung temperature dito sa loob.
That's the odometer.
The odometer, very new, 9 kilometer. Sir, sticker lang to
9 kilometer. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Then for the entertainment, sir,
Yeah.
ma'am, napapakita ko.
Navigation.
Yeah, and navigation niya through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Kailangan mo lang, sir, ng cord. Ito. Yan.
Cord.
Opo.
Or Bluetooth.
Ang Bluetooth for music. Yan. Pag kailangan mo, gusto mo mag-appear dito yung mobile mo, kailangan mo lang ng cord. Kasi
Hardwire.
hindi siya
USB.
wireless. USB. USB po.
Yeah.
Yun yung sa mga cellphone natin. Yan. Yan. Tapos home button. Yan. Tapos meron siyang Bluetooth. Meron din Bluetooth sa mga Apple Music, Spotify.
Got it.
Tapos pag station naman, yan, press mo lang. Tapos pag gusto mo i-save yung mga station, ma'am, hold mo lang or long press mo lang.
Okay.
Naka-save na siya dyan.
I'm good with that. I want
okay.
to change the RPM to...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dito naman, ma'am, makikita mo, mama. Dito, pag gusto mong ibahin or i-customize, ma'am, nakita mo, pina-full ko pa yung windshield mo, ha?
Yeah.
Hindi yan yung kalahati lang.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
That's free. Free, the genuine visor and then the luggage tray. Oh, yan.
Excellent.
Apo. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, ito. Pag iibahin mo yung dito, ito yung multi-information display. Nakaturo tayo dyan. And, pwede mo siya i-reset. I-hold mo lang. Yan, naka 0-0. Para mamomonitor mo yung kung
Trip odometer.
yeah, kung matipid ba yung pag-drive mo. Tapos, down mo lang. Ito, down.
Down
The
menu.
The cruising range, ito pa yung tatakbuhin ng sasakyan mo sa laman ng gasolina niya. Nasa 50 kilometer pa po. Pero may additional gas pa po ako sa inyo. Ibibigay ko po sa inyo. Pag alis po ninyo. May additional gas pa po siya. And then, here sir, yan, the analog clock. Then, pababa. Tapos, dito, pag may lumabas na mensahe, ibig sabihin may depekto yung sasakyan. So far, wala naman siya. Yan, for example, ganyan.
After 5 years.
Hindi naman, sir.
86 unleaded. What?
Unleaded
Super.
is okay. Yeah. Kahit unleaded, okay lang. Pero pag may advice to you, sir, when you're traveling far or
Super.
out of town,
Going to Baguio, super.
mas maganda, high octane.
High
High
octane.
octane, no? For example, in Shell, pag nasa city drive lang kayo or nasa Bulacan lang, unleaded is okay. Pero pag mag out of town kayo or road trip, mas maganda yung high octane, yung racing, yung nitro.
Can you take a
Yeah.
shot this way so we can see everybody?
Here.
Excellent.
Alam niyo mga kakotse, background lang sa aking customer. Ito kay sir, kala ko si ma'am magka-canvas lang. Yun pala pagpunta niya, kaagad-agad napakadali, walang mahabang kuskus balungos. Ito si sir, actually
I don't waste time.
yeah, narattle ako kay sir.
I don't waste
Medyo nanginig na, kinabahan ako. First time ko maka-encounter. Kapag sabi, show me the car. O, di ba? Mga kakotse, ang first choice ni Ma'am Ara, ayan sa likod, Innova talaga. Oh, so happy lang na mga kakotse. Di ba sabi ko naman sa inyo, yung Innova is napakahirap ngayon. Kasi because of the tama.
But you know, I found out this is the best practical car and the best price. You know, you get what you pay for, and everything is high tech. It's just like a
Yes.
Lexus on the front and BMW here. I am very impressed. It's very high tech.
Thank you, sir. Lalo na pag magbiyahe kayo, napaka-smooth ng ride niya. Napakaluwag, napaka-spacious. Sir, back to the settings. You can customize the
Let's
the
customize
brightness. And
I want
here
it
is
bright, the
okay,
brightest.
The brightest. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Just select the okay or the select is just enter. Yan.
Just like a cell phone.
Yeah. Tapos back. And then you can set the time and date. The design. Yeah. The one that
The
you're
design,
looking for.
yeah.
The design.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
design.
do that.
Oh. What's your preference?
That's
You
my
can-
preference.
Oh, actually, apat yung choices mo dyan. Pwede mo siya ma-customize.
That's
Ayan.
the best one.
Ayan. I-try lang natin yung ibang display. Ayan yung pangatlo. Tapos yung pang-apat. So balik tayo dun sa gusto ni Sir.
I like
Dito, the display.
I like that one.
Yan. This one.
Yes.
Parang Iron Man, Transformer. Yan. Oh.
Where's how much gas I have?
Yeah.
Gasoline.
1 bar.
1 bar.
And it says the cruising range is you have 49 kilometer. Yan. Actually, sir, kahit mag 0-0 ka dyan, Ma'am Ara, may reserve pa ng mga 10 to 15 kilometers. Yes. Oh. So, pag nag 0-0 na yan, make sure, or halimbawa, nasa 5 na, magpagas ka na para hindi ka na nagwo-worry or kakaba-kaba. Yan.
I just want to let you know that this is my first car buying experience and it's my first time driving here in the Philippines. I've driven all over the place, but not in the Philippines or Asia, anywhere Asia.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So,
oh. Tapos, ma'am, ito, turo ko lang, mama. Meron siyang wireless charging. Ayan. I-on mo lang to. Tapos, okay na. Ilalagay mo na dito yung cellphone mo. Magcha-charge na siya.
don't put any metal in here.
Yeah, tama. Tama si Sir Bert. Huwag ka maglalagay
Don't
ng
put
coins,
any
metal.
coins, metal, keys,
Yes.
keychain, anything. Don't put anything in there.
Tapos, pag hindi mo naman gagamitin, i-off mo na siya, ma'am. Oh. Tapos, ito naman, yung electronic parking brake. Yan. Ito, sir, pwede mo siya i-customize. Pag nag-stop ka, automatic mag-handbrake.
Or put it on hold when you're in traffic, even though if it's on drive.
Yes, opo. As long as naka-seatbelt ka.
Yes.
Hindi siya mag-i-engage pag hindi siya naka-seatbelt. Ayun. Yan. So, question so far, ma'am.
No.
And then, it has a dual driving modes. The eco mode, ayan, and then the power mode.
And the sport mode.
Yeah, once the power or the sport mode, it's indicated here is the power.
Yes.
And then for the eco mode, ayan, naka-eco mode na siya. Yan.
And automatic high beam and low beam.
Yes. Very nice car. Thank you, sir. Mara, thank you so much. Alam ko talaga magkakanbas lang kayo. And then, sir, for 3 days, wag po muna ibababa yung tint kasi kaka-install lang siya. So
Thank
after
you.
3 or after 4 days, okay na siya, ba? Ayun, sir.
Excellent.
Yeah. Okay na, ma'am. May kuan. I-check na natin. Paalam kung kanina pa kayo dito para
Yes.
picture muna and then good to go na po tayo.
I'm excited. I'm very
picture taking,
excited.
sir?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Napakadaling kausap, Mr. Bray. Sir, pa-picture naman kami.
I am just so excited I can't
Excited
wait.
to drive here in Manila. Actually, mga kakotse, si Sir Virgil, walang previous na hinihingi sa akin. Ang gusto lang niya is mag-video lang kami para ipakita sa mga kaibigan niya. Oh.
I recommend this guy.
Thank you.
Highly recommended.
From Bulacan pa sila mga kakotse.
Santa Maria.
Santa Maria, Bulacan. So,
Yes.
ito pa yung napili nila. Kahit napakalayo.
I saw him on YouTube.
Thank you. Tara, ma'am. Kunin ko lang yung susi. Para si baby naboboard na. Ayan. Here. Susi po. Picture kayo. Asan yung cellphone niyo, ma'am? Picturean ko muna kayo. Yan. Kayo po muna.
You own this.
Ito muna. Sa cellphone nila. Yan. Oh, 1, 2. Very fun. Oh, yun. Ano pa? Kayo po, ma'am. Sama kayo. Sasama ako mamaya. Hi, baby.
Only them. No, just one for three sister. One for the 3 sister.
Ito mo lang. Ito lang.
Smile.
Smile. Thank you.
Okay.
Ay, nag-smile din si baby.
Tayo nga pa.
Ang galing ni baby.
Let's go.
Smile, baby.
Thank you.
Sama ako, ma'am. Sama ako.
Sama siya.
Ma'am, sama ako.
Sama siya?
Sama ako. Ayan.
Ikaw mag-hold. Yan.
Yan. Mga kakotse, ang galing pa sila sa Santa Maria, Bulacan. Actually, si Ma'am Ara yung unang kumontak sa akin.
We're from Seattle, Washington.
Yeah. Say hi to your friends in Washington.
I'll send them to you.
Yeah.
They're gonna see this video.
Thank you, sir. Check nyo na po, ma'am, yung paikot, tapos good to go na tayo. Pa-check na lang po. Ito, ikutan nyo po. Bago po. Ayan. Ayan, sir, oh. Toyota Genuine Rain Visor. Yan. Tapos the luggage tray. Yan, kompleto.
Or, pakita mo pala sa akin kung paano, i-lift yung,
Upuan.
second row.
Sige po. Sige po, pag may sasakay dito. Okay, sige. Sige, pakita ko muna. Pakita ko. Sir, ituro ko lang po kung paano daw sumakay yung... Ito. Sir, ma'am, ito po. Halimbawa, may passenger kayong sasakay doon. Ganun lang. Yan. Yan, pupunta na po siya. Tapos, kung gusto niya ng leg room, pwede niyo i-forward tsaka backward dito. Dito lang sa baba. Yan. Ito. Dito. Yan. Ha? Diba? Tapos ito, ma'am, yung velos nyo, nagagawa pang sofa.
Yeah.
Tatanggalin mo lang ito, tapos dugtong-dugtong, isagad mo. Parang sofa na
First
siya.
time driving.
Ito, magiging flat ito. Tapos pag may cargo naman kayo,
America.
ayan, pag may cargo kayo, ito lang, oh. Yan. Iusog mo lang yun ng konti. Flat na ito, ma'am. Yan. Di ba? Yan. Ito, ipupul nyo lang. Yan. Di ba? Nagulat kayo sa kliyente ko, nagtatagalog, no?
Holy smoke.
Napaka-fluent mag-Tagalog. Magaling mag-Tagalog yan. Napaka-fluent mag-Tagalog. Di ba? Sir, okay na po.
Okay
I-check
na.
nyo na. Kunin ko na lang yung free gas and then good to go na. Sige
Yeah.
po. Ma'am, kunin ko yung free gas nyo, tapos okay. Yun. Ma'am, ito yung free gas nyo. Alam mo yung pag U-turn dyan? Boss, papilas naman ng invoice sa vehicle delivery note. Di ba? Sa Caltex lang yan, ma'am.
Or all Caltex.
Hindi, dyan lang talaga sa Caltex. Opo. Paglabas mo dito, ma'am, ingat ka dun sa gutter, ha? Ayun. Ay, si sir ba yung magdadrive? Sir?
Yeah. No, tell her.
Oh.
That's my navigator. Window lock
Yes,
for
po.
everybody.
Opo. Sir, yan. Ingat dun sa gutter, ha? Huwag kang didikit doon. Tapos paglabas mo dito, doon ka na kaagad. Or abante ka lang ng konti. Doon ka na sa pinaka para mag-U-turn. Tapos after mo mag-U-turn, bago mo maabot yung McDonald's, right side, i-present nyo lang yung sa
I
Caltex.
see. Do not roll for 7 days and it's already got a lock sticker.
Yeah.
So we're good to go?
Yes, sir. Opo. Tapos, ito yung mga manual. Tapos, sir, the other smart key.
Yeah.
Yan. Tapos, the warranty booklet. Additional free items. The eco bag or the Toyota Balintawak tote bag. And then, the owner's manual for infotainment or multimedia. Yan.
I will see you again maybe
Yes,
1
sir.
year, 2 year for an upgrade. I love you, man.
Thank you.
Sorry about my...
It's
I'm
okay,
high-
sir.
I'm
It's
high
okay, sir.
anxiety.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay na, ma'am. Basta maraming salamat. Message ka lang ha pag may mga concern. Yes po, mga clarification. Good luck and congratulations ulit, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir.
I
Thank you.
will watch that.
Yes, yes. I will advise you when I upload it in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I watched all your video.
Ay, thank you so much. Wait. Here's the gas and then the hood.
Yes.
Okay?
Basic.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, ayun nga, mga kakotse. Another successful release na naman. Ayun. Your mirror.
Oh, it doesn't, when I put it on drive, it doesn't automatically.
No, it auto-fold once you unlock and then unlock the vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
pinamay siya.
I'm stepping on the brake, I release the...
No, yeah,
Release.
that's, yes,
Then I'm
release.
ready to go.
Yes, ready to go.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I
sir.
will see you again.
Thank you,
I'll
sir.
visit you.
Thank you po. Okay. Message mo ako. Congratulations, kakotse. Maraming salamat. Successful na naman. From Santa Maria, Bulacan. So yun, mga kakotse. Another successful. So maraming salamat, mga kakotse. Ingat and always drive safe. Bye!